How to earn money with Airbnb affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll show you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate program and also becoming Airbnb affiliate partner. Joining the Airbnb affiliate program could be the perfect opportunity for you as an affiliate. You can earn commissions by promoting Airbnb accommodation to your audience. Whether you run a travel blog, manage a social media channel, or have website related to hospitality, becoming an Airbnb affiliate allows you to monetize your traffic and recommendation. So before getting started, let us know what Airbnb is. Airbnb is a globally recognized online marketplace and hospitality service platform that enables individual to list, discover, and book accommodation around the world. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into airbnb.com as you can see here. So this is the website. If you want to become an affiliate partner, all you have to do is go to Airbnb Associate Program. So this is the homepage of the website. Here we have Airbnb Associate Guidelines. All associates should keep these guidelines in mind. So let's read together these guidelines to more understand. So first we have here, be transparent about your relationships with Airbnb. Secondly, we have associates are not Airbnb employees and do not work under the direction of Airbnb employees. Never represent yourself as an agent or employee of Airbnb, and by posting content on Airbnb, you agree to abide by our content policy. Furthermore, we have, don't remove Airbnb's branding from the program tools, don't use any other Airbnb trademarks or copyrighted materials, and don't hide links, widgets, or pages. Only share program content directly to your followers on your personal sites or social media. Moreover, we have, don't run paid advertisement in print or digital format. Don't bite on Airbnb keywords or arbitrage Airbnb's global audience. Finally, we have, don't book through your own links. You won't receive a payout for your own lessons. So this is the guidelines, and also we have tools available to Airbnb associates, payments and payouts, and a lot of information that can help you guys. So let's back to the top. Here we have important notes. The Airbnb Associates program allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting traveling or hosting on Airbnb. So what that means is that Airbnb itself is gonna give you a commissions if someone click on your link, sent, books, stay, and wherever. So to earn commission, all you have to do is come back to the website and choose the one you want to promote. So let's choose, for example, this one. As you can see, and there is a lot of information that can help you guys here. You can read it if you wanna. Here we have examples for each strategy of earning money through the Airbnb affiliate program. First, we have promote Airbnb lessons. Create a blog post titled Top 10 Cozy Airbnb Cabins for Winter Getaways, where you feature and link to various cozy cabins available on Airbnb, highlighting their unique features like hot tubs, fireplaces, or proximity to sky resorts. Secondly, we have create travel guides and reviews. Write a detailed travel guide on exploring Barcelona on a budget and include sections rec- recommending budget-friendly Airbnb accommodation in different neighborhoods with affiliate links to those listens. We have also target niche audience. Create an Instagram account focusing on luxury travel. Post high quality photos of luxurious Airbnb villas around the world, using your affiliate links in the captions and view to direct followers to book their dream stays. Furthermore, we have use sales strategies. Write a blog post titled Family Friendly Airbnb Rentals Near Disney World, optimized with keywords like family friendly Airbnb Disney World, featuring detailed descriptions and affiliate links to kid friendly properties near the theme park. Also, we have Utilize social media. Create a Pinterest board titled Dream Vacations Rentals where you pin visually appealing images of various Airbnb properties worldwide. Use affiliate links in the pinned descriptions to drive traffic and booking. And we have email marketing. Send out a newsletter to subscribers with the subject line "Exclusive Summer Getaways Deals, Save 200% on Airbnb Stays", include curated lists of Airbnb properties in popular summer destinations with affiliate links for readers to book directly. Also, we have offer special deals. Partner with Airbnb to offer a limited time discount code exclusively for your audience. Promote this offer on your blog, social media, and email newsletter, encouraging users to use your affiliate link to redeem the discount. And we have great comparison content. Write a blog post titled Airbnb with hotels, here to stay, where to stay for your next city break. Compare the benefits of staying in an Airbnb, like more space, kitchen facilities, and versus a hotel, and include affiliate links to both Airbnb listings and hotel booking sites. We have also partnered with travel bloggers or influencers. Collaborate with a travel influencer who specializes in adventure travel, have them create Instagram stories showcasing their stay in a unique Airbnb treehouse with swipe up links to book the same property using your affiliate link. Finally, we have stay updated on Airbnb's program. Keep an eye on Airbnb's affiliate program updates. For example, if Airbnb introduces a new program offering increased commission rates for booking in certain regions or during specific seasons. Adjust your promotional strategies to capitalize on this opportunity. So these examples illustrate how you can effectively utilize different strategies to earn money through the Airbnb affiliate program by promoting listings, creating valuable content, and engaging with your target audience. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the incredible world of Airbnb. Whether you are a traveler seeking unforgettable experiences or someone looking to earn through the Airbnb affiliate program, remember, adventure awaits just a click away. Don't miss out our sharing and the magic of travel and earning with every booking. Join the Airbnb today and start turning your passion for exploration into rewards. Happy travels. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you in the next video.